Now on to our fun little segment. What would Mikara wear? What would you put me in? Okay.
I would probably put you in the suit.
In the suit. Yes, a girl loves a good little power suit, okay? Okay, come out meetings and then have a nice little outing with the girls.
Yeah.
Yes, I love that yellow dress. I can tell you are from the DMV area because the color blocking. I lived in the DMV before social
I'm not
media.
from DMV.
You're not?
No.
No, where you from?
I'm from Virginia Beach, VA.
Oh yeah, that is a total different conglomerate. But I really love the yellow dress with the purple. I think it was purple stockings and the green shoes. Yes, the color blocking it definitely is a DMV. But yes, you are that is definitely a different vibe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that is my thing was the socks. They didn't work when they actually did the fitting, but that was one of the pieces that I wanted to incorporate in my look because I wanted it to be chic but street edge so that people could see that, you know what, you can put a pair of socks with a pair of sandals and wear them in the wintertime. It's how you put stuff together. Fashion is just creation, but it's how you put it together that makes it. And the models, honestly, when the models put your garment on, how they move in it, that add an extra to people really looking at the garment, how they walk,
the visual, the flow. It was a nice little touch. Did you have a say in the model picking, or did they?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, they did a good job. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
It worked.
It
Believe
did.
me, it worked.
Yes. Shout out to Virginia Beach. Okay. Sorry for the DMV, but we're going to move over to VA Beach. Hey y'all.